You keep saving fills, scrolling, swiping, collecting. But still, your playing doesn't flow. And that's not your fault, it's how most runners practice. But today I'll show you what actually works, and it starts with one simple idea. Just 3 notes, right, left, kick. Most drummers try to sound free, but all they ever practiced are fixed copy-paste fills. 1 bar, 2 bars, always starting and stopping at the same place. But here's the truth. Those short fills are great as a pre-work, but if you never break out of them, you'll never build flow. And then you wonder why nothing sticks. You feel discouraged, you scroll for something new, and the cycle repeats. But let me be real with you, you don't need more fills. You need to go deeper into one idea. And this is what no one talks about, but it's what actually changes your playing. What's up you guys, it's Eddie and I'm super excited for part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go check that out because we're going deep today. We're actually going to dive into full, fluid, effortless freedom. Like real freedom. This is the best thing I've ever done and all my students love this exercise. It's hard, it's advanced stuff, but it's amazing and will give you the creative freedom that you're looking for. Because like you, I've been feeling trapped and frustrated for a moment in my drumming career where I felt like, how do I develop that ultimate freedom playing effortless like all those guys are doing? Well, this is it. Today I will help you unlock creative freedom and flow around the drum kit with structured systems, not just some random fills and licks. And if you want to dive deeper into this information, you can download a free preview of my ebook in the description and get started today for free. So here's what we're doing today. We're using one pattern, right, left, kick, and we're moving it through the 4 major subdivisions. 8th note triplets, 16th notes, 16th note triplets, and 32nd notes. All at the same tempo, 60 BPM. Yes, this is gonna be epic. First, let's learn each subdivision by itself. Let's start with 8th note triplets, keeping your hi-hat at 8th notes with your left foot to keep time. Next up, we're going to do the same thing in 16th notes. And here you'll notice that the pattern of right-left kick will shift over the bar line, which makes it more difficult to figure out where the 1 is. This is where you train your auditory independence, listening how the pattern shifts over the bar and trying to be aware of where the 1 will be. Next up is 16 note triplets, where again it's a little bit more easy because the right left kick pattern, group of 3, fits easily in the groups of 6 of the 16 note triplets. And last up is 32nd notes. Now, this one flies, but try to stay relaxed and don't rush. Just breathe, relax your arms, relax your wrists, and make sure that you're becoming aware of where the 1 is again as the right-left kick pattern shifts over the bar line. Now once you've practiced each subdivision in isolation, now we're going for freedom. This is what I call freedom practice. You're repeating the pattern continuously, and you listen how it moves over the bar line. And it's not about landing perfectly, it's about developing your auditory independence being able to hear where the 1 is, even when the pattern stretches over it. You can start with playing 8th note triplets, then you move into 16th notes, and again you move into 16th note triplets, and all the way up to 32nd notes. And you can break the loop whenever you want. If you get lost a little bit, just switch back, pick it back up, and see if you can keep playing. So you're training your ability to start and stop ideas at will. And this is how you develop what I call subdivision awareness. You're not just playing a lick, you're understanding how time stretches and contracts. And that's what gives you your playing that effortless rolling musical feel. Now once that feels comfortable, you can take the same concept and apply it to different groupings. Right, left kick, or right, left kick, whatever pattern you already use and like. The concept stays the same. Move it through all the subdivisions. First practice them separately, and then move them through it fluidly. Because when you can move effortlessly through the subdivisions with just one pattern, you'll train ultimate timing and you'll feel the grit in your system and you can play anything in the world. Like, really. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This system changed everything for me and I hope it does the same for you. I use it with all of my students in my coaching programs. And if you're ready to go all in, check out my coaching program in the description below. Personalized practice plans, weekly video feedback, a monthly coaching call, and getting real results. It's not for everyone, but it's for those wanting to make a real change. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.